Hello, I'm Cody. I'm going to be the nurse taking care of you today.
Nice to meet you. My name's Emilio.
There you go. All right. Can you tell me your birthday, Emilio?
Yeah, it's 10/06/93.
It's great to meet you. Just need to make sure that we have the right patient. What brings you into the clinic today?
Oh, I just moved to the area. I need to establish a primary care doctor.
Great. All right. We can definitely do that. I'm going to move this camera here just a little bit. So we'll be doing a head-to-toe exam on you today. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands first. Ask you a couple basic orientation questions real quick before we get started.
Okay.
Can you tell me what year it is?
Yeah, it's 2021.
All right. And what kind of facility are you in right now?
I'm in a urgent care.
Okay. Yeah, fantastic. And who's our president?
Joe Biden.
Oh, great. All right. Let me put on some gloves. All right, Emilio. Do you have any medical histories ever since you were born?
Just the correctional vision stuff. Right?
Correctional vision. Okay. And do you know about when you started wearing glasses using correctional vision?
About 2 years ago.
Oh, okay. Just 2 years ago. And that's the only medical history you have is vision deficits ever since you were born?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you had any surgeries at all? No surgeries. Okay. And do you take any kind of medications daily, including over-the-counter pills, herbal supplements, or anything like that?
Just a multivitamin.
Multivitamin. Okay.
Yeah.
How long have you been taking that for?
Oh, man. Oh, shoot. Since I was a kid, probably. Yeah.
All right. So you don't have any, you got the vision, you don't have any hearing deficits, never had any hearing deficits, you don't have any psychiatric histories, any breathing histories, no, heart, no GI disorders, urinary problems, or musculoskeletal problems. Okay. All right. And are you up to date on all your immunizations? Did you get your flu shot this year?
Yes.
Have you had a tetanus shot within the last 10 years?
Yes.
And you got your COVID vaccine?
Both of them and the booster.
That's fantastic. Okay. Can you tell me about your family histories?
Mom's good. Grandma had lung cancer and heart issues, but she smoked a lot.
Okay.
Great grandma died of a stroke.
Sorry to hear that.
All good, but she was a chronic drinker, so
Okay.
probably didn't help. And then the only other thing I know about my family history is the men in the family have bad hearts.
Okay. And do you know what kind of heart issues they had, or you just know they had?
Just
Heart
yeah,
problems?
I mean most of them died by the age of 60 of a heart attack.
Sorry to hear that. Is your father still alive?
I don't know my dad.
Okay. All right. And mom?
She's still alive.
And she have any medical histories?
Just dental issues.
Dental? Okay.
Yeah.
How about brothers, sisters?
Only child.
Okay, fantastic. It makes it easy. All right. We'll go ahead and move on. This would be the objective portion, just talking to the camera here. You can tell that he's alert and oriented. He maintains eye contact. His hygiene is overall well. He maintains erect posture throughout the exam. He offers information freely without hesitation. His speech is clear and coherent. So now we'll move on to the next part of the exam. All I'm going to do, I'll ask you again, just a quick review of system. So no ear problems. You said no hearing deficits. You got the correctional vision.
Mm-hmm.
Have any throat pain, anything going on in your throat or mouth? No discharge, no redness, nothing like that? Okay. Any pain or difficulty breathing, shortness of breath? Okay. Any heart things? Do you notice any palpitations, any chest pain? Do you have any issues with exercise, like shortness of breath, noticing you not being able to walk certain distances, or you have to stop more frequently than what you should? Okay. How about when you're laying down? Are you able to lay flat when you sleep, or do you have to sleep sitting up?
Flat.
Okay. Have you noticed any swelling or anything in your legs or extremities? No? All right. And we already went over kind of GI, but no GI, no abdominal pain, any vomiting, nausea, diarrhea. You haven't noticed any blood in your stool or anything like that. Okay. And as far as urinary symptoms go, have you had any burning or painful urination at all, or difficulty urinating? Okay. All right. And no musculoskeletal issues, moving any extremities. Okay. All right. We'll go ahead and start with our head to toe exam. First, I'm just going to look at your head. I'm just going to inspect it here. Appears normal. I don't see any masses or lesions. We'll go ahead and look at your hair distribution. Hair distribution looks normal. Tell me if you have any tenderness. And at any point in this, you have any questions, you just tell me, okay?
Okay.
I just want you to tell me. I'm going to fill a little bit. I just want you to tell me if you have any tenderness anywhere, okay? Okay. All right. I'm going to go ahead and look at your eyes. Okay. I'm going to pull these off for just a second, okay?
I got you.
I'm going to pull your eyelids down.
Okay.
Look at your sclera and conjunctiva here. It's white. I don't see any redness or discharge. Here as well. Okay. All right. I'm going to see if you can just follow my finger, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to check your cardinal vision fields. Okay. And can you cross your eyes? Great.
Yeah.
I know it's kind of weird. All right. I'm going to take this scope, look at your eye here, look at your optic disc. What I'm going to have you do is just look straight at me. There we go. All right. Okay. Optic disc appears normal.
Say nothing made me cry, man.
Sorry. And just for the time on this exam, I'm going to do things kind of one-sided, you'll notice, but typically you do them both sides bilaterally. Okay. One more thing with your eyes. Well, we can just use that same one. We'll check accommodation and reflex. I'm going to block this eye. Okay. Great. Pupils are reactive and accommodate with light. All right. How about any nasal drainage? Any nasal pain? Anything? Okay. Take a look at your nose. You tell me if you have any pain. All good? Okay. Take a look at your nose real quick. So I'm just going to put this in your nose. I know it's kind of weird, but
Yeah.
might tickle a little bit. All right. Mucous membranes are normal. They're pink. They're intact. Your septal wall there's intact. Okay. Everything looks normal there. Go ahead and check the patency of your nostrils. Can you cover one nostril and just either breathe out or in through it, and then the same thing on the other side. Fantastic. All right. Let's go ahead and move on to your sinuses here. I'm going to just palpate your sinuses. Just want you to tell me if you have any pain, okay?
Okay.
Maxillary sinuses there. Frontal sinuses there. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and move on to your mouth. Looking for any lesions, discharge. Say ah for me. All right. I don't notice any drainage, tonsils, or a tube. That's normal. I don't see any enlargement. Don't see any redness or drainage on those. All right. Let's go ahead and we'll move on to your neck here. You have any pain at all in your neck? Okay. I'm just going to feel your neck here. Tell me if you have any pain. Okay. And then I'm going to feel your lymph nodes. Feel in front of your ear here, your preauricle lymph nodes. At any point you have any pain, just tell me. Post-auricle. Occipital lymph nodes. And your posterior cervical lymph nodes. Anterior submental lymph nodes here. Submandibular, submental here. Okay. I'm going to see if I can palpate your thyroid here. Go ahead and swallow for me. Great. I don't notice any masses or anything there, so everything appears normal on your neck. We'll go ahead and we'll move into the thoracic cavity and check your respirations and everything like that. Are you okay with removing the shirt for me?
Sure.
All right. We'll just go ahead and look for symmetry. Chest appears normal. I don't see any lesions. I don't see any obvious masses or anything like that. Let me go ahead and look at your posterior real quick. Great. Symmetrical. Okay. I'm just going to kind of push on some places. I just want you to tell me if you have any tenderness, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Same thing up front. Okay. Symmetrical chest rise and fall. I'm going to go ahead and listen to your lung sounds now. We'll start with the anterior portion. Just breathe normal for me. This will take just a minute, okay? All right. Go ahead and sit up for me. All right. I'm going to lower this down just because I want to feel your back here. Okay, I'm going to put my arms around your chest here and have you take a deep breath. Okay. Chest expansion, symmetrical, normal. Okay, I'm just going to feel this is called tactile pharyngitis. I'm going to have you say 99.
99.
And again.
99.
And again.
99.
Okay. Vibrations are symmetrical. That's good. I'm going to listen to you from the back here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and then from the side. All right, great. Let's set this back up for you. And then let's go ahead and lay back. All right, your respirations are great. You're breathing about 18 times a minute. That's normal. Lung sounds are clear in all fields. I don't notice any kind of wheezing or rhonchi, crackles. It's all clear. So that's good. We'll move on to your cardiovascular portion. Okay, just going to look at your chest. I'm actually going to lie you flat real quick. Okay. Looking for any pulsations over the pericardium. Appears normal. I don't see anything there. I'm going to sit you back up a little bit here, about 45 degrees. Look for JVD, jugular vein distension. You would see it in this area here. I don't see any of that. I'll go ahead and move on to the auscultation. Well, I'll see if I feel any pulsations here. Feels normal. I'm going to go ahead and listen to your heart, okay? We'll start with the aortic area. Pulmonic area. Erb's point. Tricuspid. And mitral. Okay, one more time, I'm just going to listen with the diaphragm of my stethoscope. Aortic. Pulmonic. Erb's point. Tricuspid. And mitral area. Fantastic. Your heart sounds are normal. Turn this on so it